real remote control, okay? Everybody got to be safe.
Press this button right here.
Yeah,
press it. It's gonna light up.
What's it turn it off? Mason, go get the car.
Oh yeah, thank you, bro.
Remote control. You got that remote control.
No. Keep looking under the seat. Right here.
Don't crank it up yet. Yeah, the remote control car. That you know that crank up the car.
That's
dangerous.
You can crank up the car. So
you gotta be careful because that's a car and that's a real remote control. Okay, everybody got to be safe.
What we got to do, Mason?
No, but it's still a safety hazard. So when you press that button.
Remember, it's real life.
Show them, right? Show them what button to crank it up. Press this button. Press this button.
Press this button right here.
Yeah,
press it. It's gonna light up. I'm gonna let you hold the controller, right?
Yeah.
Hit this for the gas.
Hit that for the gas. Hit it for a little bit. Wait.
Wait.
Don't do that, man.
Oh, wait. So hit A to put it in drive.
In drive.
Press A, then press A to put it in drive. Okay, it's in drive. Now hit this button right here.
Hit that button.
You gotta hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it over down.
Don't crash my car, Mason.
You gotta drive to the left. To the left.
To the left. Turn it. Turn my car. You gonna hit my car, Mason.
Can you try?
Bro, Mason,
so look, I'm gonna show you how to watch this.
You gotta be a
so you hit B for backup, right?
I'm gonna teach you how to do it.
So you hit this button right here. Hold this button.
You're gonna back it up. See, he's
press it down now.
Backing up.
Don't press too hard. Don't press too hard. Press it down. Press all the way down.
Press all the way down.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Press it down.
Press it down. Go.
Hold it down.
No, my car.
Stop, Mason. Hit the brake. This the brake. Hit B for brake. Okay, so press A, right? All right.
We're gonna make the car come towards us.
So drive it towards us, right?
Drive it towards us. Come over here. So we get away from stuff.
So we get away from stuff, yeah. Hold the gas now.
Make it come towards us.
Make it come towards us.
All right.
Now hold it all the way down. All the way down.
Hey, Mason, what you doing, Mason?
Hit the brake. Hit the brake. You gotta hit the brake, Mason. All right, start. Make it burn out. You wanna make it burn out? Look, watch this, look.
Can you try?
Look, all right, watch. About to make it burn out. What's wrong? Scared? You don't like it? Come on, I'm gonna let you do it.
But can you do it?
Go ahead. I'm gonna let you do it. You don't like it? Why not?
Just press it, Mason. Stop being scared. It's okay. Look, press this to make it burn out.
Just hold that button to make it burn out.
No, now hold it to make it burn out.
Hold it to make it burn out.
Hold it. Go.
Hold it down.
Let it go. Mason, what you doing?
You gotta hold the button. You gotta pay attention.
Mason, no, hold on. Get the car. Hold on, get the car.
Scared.
Get the car. Make it come towards us.
Scared.
No, you pressing it. You making it come towards us. Mason, come on, you making the car. Stop pressing. Turn the button off. Turn it off, Mason. Mason, turn it off.
I did.
Come on, get out. You can't be on the grass, Mason. You can't be on the grass. Go that way. Go run with your daddy. Sorry, turn it off, Mason. Mason, turn it off. No, don't get to it now. No, turn it. Give it. Go. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Don't go to your daddy. Don't go to me. Go to your daddy. Oh, don't get out. Oh, my God. Where's the controller? Turn it off.
I'm trying. I need some help. I need some help.
You turn it off. Okay, you turn it off. All right, come on. You turn it off. Let's go. Come on. Okay, it's over with.
This off.
Not going. Going to pass. Yeah. Okay. Turn it on. Open the door. Press that button to open the door.
Where?
Press that door.
Where?
Right there.
Where? That one?
Yeah. Press it. Yeah. Oh. No, don't let your daddy get in the car.
Okay.
Why you got your daddy in the car?
Daddy!
Open the door.
No!
Yo, open the door. Mason, oh, what you doing? Oh, Mason. Get your daddy out of there. Get your daddy in there. Your daddy in there. Man. Fix the controller. What you doing? Hey. What y'all doing? Come on. Mason, stop the car. Mason, stop it. What are you doing? Stop your daddy.
Dad!
Hey, come on, get out there. You gotta turn it off.
I'm trying.
What are you doing? Stop, Mason. What is you doing?
Mason. Oh, yo. Hold on. Don't hit him. Mason, come on, Mason. Mason, you gonna let the car, turn the car off. Turn it off. Turn the car off, Mason. Mason, turn it off.
Where?
I don't know what your daddy told you. Huh? Mason, turn the car off. I don't want that. You gotta turn the car off. Turn it off, come on. Give it to your daddy. Go, get your daddy. Oh, I said get your daddy. We about to get your daddy. What you doing? Mason, come on. Turn it off, Mason.
Buddy.
I don't know. You did this. You brought us out here to turn the car on.
I don't want to do this. I'm trying.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Get in that car. Come on. Come to us. Mason, go get in the car. Get in the car.
Here, guys. I don't want it.
I don't want that.
I don't want it.
Oh, I'm going. Everybody, come on, y'all. Let's come on. Mason got to go. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Everybody, come on, man. Run, man. Oh, man. What you doing, Mason? Oh, Mason, what you doing? Stop it! Turn it off!
What, buddy? I don't know.
What you turn it off? What you doing? You about to hit the people, Mason! Oh! Mason! Turn it off! Oh my goodness!
Oh, what buddy?
What button it is?
Dad, what's buddy?
You gotta say, Uncle Kimmy, stop.
Uncle Kenny, stop! Uncle Kenny, stop! Uncle Kenny, stop! Uncle Kenny,
You
stop!
gotta say, Uncle Kimmy, get out.
You gotta say get
Uncle
out.
Kenny, get out! Uncle Kenny, get out!
You got prank.
You gotta pray, Mason.
That's somebody died.
I knew
Somebody else go sneak it up. You scared?
Yeah.
You scared of the car?
Yeah, I don't want to drive anymore.
You don't want to drive no more? You don't like the car no more?
Yeah.
We gonna walk this way. Come on, man. So listen, they pranked you good, huh? That was a good prank, huh?
He's scared of every car.
Don't get pranked.
I know, you said don't get pranked. That was a good prank.
Yeah.
Did you like it? Huh? So let me give you the controller back.
That boy don't want to do that. All that play. That boy,
So you done? Okay. All right, it was a prank, everybody. We got him good. Here go the controller back.
say all that playing.
Say all that playing?
I'm playing.
No, you gotta say all that playing.
All that playing.
You doing?
What are you doing?
You do it. Who that
Wait a
is?
minute.
Who that is?
Who that is?
Okay, that's Kenny. Where the controller at?
You got the controller.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, that person. No, Kenny right now.
Kenny!
Wait, who driving that
So how
car?
you turn the car on, Mason?
Who turned it on?
I don't know. I ain't turned it.
You just turned it on. Kenny is right there.
I don't know. I do it.
Oh my goodness.
Mason, what is you doing?
Come on.
I don't know.
Dude, come on, man.
We said it was a prank.
It was a prank. We were pranking. Now you pranking us now.
I didn't do it.
You prank. Come on.
I didn't do it.
Come on, it's time to go. Let's go. Let's go. Time to go. Turn it. Go jump on the car, Fats. Stop the car.
Press it off.
How you turn it off?
Hey, can you press the button off?
Come on. Yo, go right. Come on. Let's get in the car.
Wow, that was
Get in the car.
Here.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Oh.
Daddy!
Are you scared?
I don't know how you put that.
Come on, Mason. You can't be scared. You say you like these cars.
Oh, wait in the car now.
Let's say you want a room.
You want a room?
No.
All right. Come on. Time to go. Hell, amazing. Thought you was a big boy. He don't want to play the game no more. He don't want to control it no more here.
Dad!
You want to do a donut?
Huh?
Come on, let's do a donut.
That boy want to do that.